Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to export Gmail emails to PDF with attachments. So open up your Gmail and open up a specific email or complete conversation thread you want to archive. So you open up your particular conversation, then you just find the print, you click on three dots, and then choose print. So do not click the browser's global print button or your layout will not be properly aligned. And then this window will appear, and then look at the right hand options panel, open up the destination drop down menu right over here, and then choose save as PDF. After that guys, before you hit save, expand the more settings drop down right over here. Make sure that the checkbox for background graphics is turned on, so all profile icons, headers and corporate banners are perfectly preserved. So just click this and press on save. And now as you can see, I have saved it successfully to my PC. I have it right over here, and it's also saved onto my local drive. That is it guys, enjoy and see you in the next one.